Morning children. Today we are going to see how halogens reacts with hydrogen. So directly halogens directly react with hydrogen to form hydrogen halides. X2 means what? Any halogen. If you take X equal to what here? You can take any halogen. X equal to fluorine or chlorine or bromine or what actually? Iodine. You can take X place any halogen, fluorine, chlorine, F2, H2 will give HF like that, isn't it? Now, what are the characteristics of these hydrogen halides? The first thing, physical nature, how they exist. See, HF is a liquid, very important question. You note down this one as like HF is liquid, remaining halides are what? Gases in nature. What is the reason? Very simple, in HF, between fluorine and hydrogen of two molecules, you are going to get what type of bond here? Hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is very strong, whereas you compare with what? HCl and HBr, HCl, HBr and HI, here we do not get hydrogen bond. In this case, what type of forces we are getting? Van der Waals forces. Van der Waals forces here, which are actually what happened? Very weak, isn't it? The forces are very weak, therefore they exist as a gas molecules, whereas HF is a liquid because strong forces are operating. What type of forces? Hydrogen bond. Answer should be very simple, because of hydrogen bond HF exists as a liquid in nature. That is only the answer. Next, bond enthalpy. The bond energy between hydrogen and F is very strong when you compare with hydrogen and iodine. What is the reason? Because hydrogen and fluorine is small in size, therefore they come near and the bonding forces will be depend upon the nuclear forces. Small size always will have more bond energy, whereas HI, because of large size, nuclear force of attractions will be what? Very weak. That is the reason what happened in the case of this one, bond enthalpy is weak. So, bond enthalpy from fluorine HF to what? HI what happened? Decreases because of increasing in the size of the halogens. Reason that one. Next, bond length, isn't it? The length of the bond always depends upon size here. Less size of fluorine, small bond length. More size of iodine, more. You see, more bond length you are getting, more bond length. Here is what? Small bond length, because the size of the fluorine is what? Very small. The size of the iodine is what? Very high. This is about the bond length. Next, acidic strength. Acidic strength depends upon bond strength. Now, which will cleave readily? You see, HF. This is what? Very strong. Bond is very strong. You are unable to cleave readily. So, this will get here very less number. We get here very less number. In the case of this one, this bond is always what happened? Very weak in nature. So, we get here what? More number of H plus. The substance which will give more number of H plus ions are what? Strong acids. Now, which will give more number of H plus ions? HI. Why? Because this bond is what? Very weak bond. Therefore, readily we get H plus ions. This is very important question. Why HF is weak acid compare with HI? Why HI is strong acid? Reason very simple, because of the bond strength. The bond strength in HI is less, therefore it is strong acid. Next, reducing character depends upon what? Bond strength. See, reducing character inversely proportional to what? Bond strength or bond energy. Higher the bond energy, lower to undergo chemical reactions. This one is what? Very low bond strength. Readily bond will cleave, undergo chemical reactions, undergo oxidation. Therefore, they are called reducing character. Isn't it? Like finally, we will take melting and boiling points. Melting and boiling point, generally if you observe here, this depends upon what actually? Mass. Mass is more, Van der Waals forces will be what? Also will be more. Compared to HI, HBr, HCl, which is having higher molar mass HI. Because of this, it has more Van der Waals forces. So, compared to HI, HBr, HCl, HI is what? more melting and boiling point. But in HF, what is happening here? In this case, you are getting hydrogen bond, isn't it? Due to hydrogen bond, which is what, very strong, very much strong when you compare with what actually van der Waals forces. Hi, HBr, HCl, they are having van der Waals forces which are weak when you compare with hydrogen bonding. Therefore, HF is having more melting and boiling points. This is about the properties of hydrogen halides.